Good day mga ka-insights. Good evening if ever gabi nyo ito mapanood ng video. Hello sa tanan nga mga Bisaya. So for today's video mga ka-insights, we will be talking about the application of special product. Specifically the perfect square trinomial. The product of two binomials. Okay, so that is very common topic in algebra, and mauli na if ever na concept or topic niya, we cannot really appreciate the concept if ever we don't know the application of that concept kung para asa ta na siya magamit. So for today's video, or for this video, we will be talking about the application of special product kanang sa algebra, asa siya magamit. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can support me just by subscribing to my channel, and you can leave your comment so after this video. So I will be giving some items for you to practice about the concept that you will learn for this video, from this video. Okay, so disclaimer, this is not my own ideas. So this concept that I will be presenting to you is not my own ideas. So dili wala ko nagiangkon nga ideas nga ako ang nagmugna ani. So I'm just here to spread the information, okay? To help disseminate the concept. So naara ko para matabag pasabot. So I'm just adding my own way to present or explain the concept. And also, I am not an expert and I am not a genius in this field. So, wala ko giangkon ani nga ideas sa akong i-present karon. Okay? So, our topic is about the application of special products. Specifically, we have the application of perfect squares, trinomials. So, this is a very common topic in algebra, and mao lagi na just like mga variables, di ba? X and Y, we cannot really appreciate the value of those variables if we really don't know what are the applications or the importance of those concept in real life, or asa gid ta ni magamit. Just like in um, special products, we have different special products, just like the square of two binomials. It can be the square of sum or difference, cube of binomials, so daghan. But for this video, we will be focusing only to the perfect squares trinomials. Okay? So let us recall what are perfect squares trinomials. So unsa man na sila? So in your algebra class, perfect squares trinomials, these are special products of the squares of binomials of the forms. So we have two different forms of PST. So it can be the square of a sum. So that is the square of the quantity a plus b squared equals, or it can be a plus b times a plus b. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So that is the PST, the perfect square trinomial. And that is a special product, which is the result of squaring a binomial. Okay? And the other form is the square of the difference. So we have a minus b, or it can be written as a minus b times a minus b. And the result is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So these results, these PST, perfect squares trinomials, this is a special product. And they give us the rule on how to find easily the product of two binomials. Okay? So that is, to get the product, you're going to square the first term and then add the product, twice the product of the two terms, A and B, then add the square of the second term. Okay, so that is the rule. Okay? But unsa na to pag-appreciate ani. Kay usually sa atong mga na-experience, so ang nahatag sa tua are only mga exercises. So much of the time kay sagad sila tag-solve og mga nani 2a squared, x plus y squared, 2x plus 3, and mga daghan pa nga mga drills and exercises. Okay? But what is the application of this rule? Paasa na to siya ma-apply? Okay, so muna ato ang isgutan karon. And again, I would like to repeat that this is not my own ideas, the concept that I will be presenting to you. So ako ra po ni siyang nasabtan or na from the different sources. Okay? So ako lang po ning kuan. I'm just helping to share the information, the knowledge. So I'm just adding my own way to present and explain the concept. Okay, now how to apply the rule or the concept of the PST. We have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So that is a perfect square trinomial. How can we use that rule in real life or in a particular example para mas ma-appreciate nato ang iyang concept. So for example, you want to know the square of 47. Okay, that is a very practical example, a square of a number. Okay? So we all know that getting the square of any numbers nowadays is very easy na lang since there are many technology that are available. You have your calculator or all your cell phones kay tanan na naanay mga calculator. Dali na lang pod ang pag-compute. So ngano maglangan-langan magita. But for the sake of understanding the concept, so the application of the concept of a special product, especially this one, so we're going to use that example in finding the square of any two-digit numbers. Okay, so we're going to limit our examples for now. So I will be focusing only for focusing on the two-digit numbers. So for the next videos na lang po ng uban nga mga numbers. Okay, so we know the square of 47 using your calculator. That is very easy. So tanan maka-answer na that is 2,209 using your calculator. Dali ra. But if we're going to relate the rule, okay, the rule of PST, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, unsaon ta na pag-apply in terms of getting the square of any two-digit numbers. Okay? So to apply the concept, we're going to manipulate the given rule. We're going to rearrange the terms. So just like we have the square of A and the square of B plus 2AB. Okay? So dili pa kita ni masabtan kay murag dili pa kay klaro. Okay? So later sa mga examples nga atong mahatag, so ato ni masabtan nga unsa tani pag-apply kani atong rearrangement sa terms. So always remember, okay, for this rearrangement sa kanitong pag-apply, the squares of A and B should be written as two-digit numbers. Always. So ato ni sang isuwat as two-digit numbers. Kay not all the square of numbers kay two-digit, just like 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So we should always remember to write the squares of A and B as two-digit numbers and add the product of 2AB in the middle. So later, ato ni masabtan unsaon pag-perform jud ani nga konsepto. Okay? So to understand better about the concept, how to apply this one. So we all know that the square of 47 is 2,209. Okay? And we can expand that idea, that is 47, as 40 plus 7. But for the application of the concept, we're not going to use this expansion, which is 40 plus 7, since mas kuan siya, na mas sayon. So in order to understand easier about the concept of its application, so we're going to use this one. So instead of using 40 plus 7, so we have 4 and atong gi-separate si 4 and 7. Okay? So look at the design. We do not use the equal sign but the arrow. Since 4, and also, we do not include the operation. Since 4 plus 7, that is not 47. So 11 na siya. Okay? So muna ato ang concept para mas dali na ito masabtan. Ato nang gi-separate ha, si 4 and 7. Okay? So where A, in the given number 47, A will be 4 and B is 7, in which A squared equals 16 and B squared equals 49, and the product of 2AB is 56. Now how to apply, um how to perform the process like this one kay nasa igbaw. Unsa may ang arrangement gid ani niya. So we have, so from the results, we have A squared equals 16, B squared equals 49, and the product of 2AB is 56. Okay? So we have the square of A. So 4 is 16. The square of 7 is 49. Plus 2AB, the product of 2AB. That is 56. So muna ni iyang arrangement in order to apply the concept in terms of uh, determining or computing the square of any two-digit numbers. Okay? So we have just perform the operation. We have 9. Bring down 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. It is 0 carry 1. So 1 plus 6, 7 plus 5, that is 12. 2 carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Therefore, the square of 47 using the concept is 2,209, which is correct. So you can always check the answer in your calculator. So kung doubtful ta sa answer. Now, pangutana. Pangutana about the concept. If is it applicable? Is it applicable to all two-digit numbers? So the answer is yes. So even for non-two-digit numbers, this is also applicable. But there will be additional concepts in order to perform the application. So and that will be for the next videos. So for now, let's focus on the squares of two-digit numbers. So we have 11 to 99. But you can include number 10. So I forgot to include number 10. So nag-start ko sa 11, yeah, up to 99. Okay, so included sa number 10 dira sa ato ang two-digit numbers. Okay? So let's have more examples kay para ato yung matan-aw nga applicable jud siya sa tanan nga two-digit numbers. So example, we have the square of 82. So 82 squared. So applying the concept, we have atong gi-separate si 8 and 2. So the square of 8 is 64 and the square of 2 is 4. And again, reminder that always write the squares of the of A and B as two-digit numbers. So since the square of 2 kay 4 man, ato nang gisuwat as 04. Okay? And then add in the middle the product of 2AB. So A times B, or A times 2, that is 16, times 2, 32. So we have the answer. 4, 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, and bring down 6. So the square of 82 is 6,724. And again, you can check the answer in your calculator. So ato ra ganang ma-check per me if doubtful ta sa answer. Another example. So 29 squared, again, separate 2 and 9. So we have the square of 2 is 4. Again, write the square of 2 as a two-digit number, which is 04. And the square of 9 is 81. Then, 2AB, that is 2 times 9, 18, times 2 is 36. Okay, so nara sa igbaw ang atong rule. Okay, nara sa igbaw para reminded ta permi. So that is 1, bring down 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. That is 4 carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3 is 8. And then, since 0 naman na siya, so pwede na lang dili na i-bring down. So, the square of 29 is 841. Another example, 34 squared. So, same process. Separate the digits. Our A is 3. The square of 3 is 9. So, written as 09. Okay, as a two-digit number. The square of 4 is 16. Then 2AB, 3 times 4 is 12. Times 2, that is 24. Then perform the addition. We have 6, bring down 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. So that's 1. Carry 1. So 1 plus 0, that's 1. The square of 34 is 1,156. That is the square of 34. So more examples. Another example, we have 18 squared. Separate 1 and 8. Okay, and the square of 1 is 1. That is 0, 1. The square of 8 is 64. And then the 2AB, so 1 times 8 is 8 times 2, that is 16. Okay, then the operation, we have 4, bring down 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. The square of 18 is 324. Okay, so na ato na gyud nakuanan that the concept is very applicable to all two-digit numbers. Another example, puno pa kitag example. We have the square of 45. Okay, so same process, separate 4 and 5. The square of 4 is 16. The square of 5 is 25. Then the product of 2AB, that is A times B. So 4 times 5, 20 times 2 is 40. So bring down 5. 2 plus 0, that's 2. 6 plus 4 is 10. That is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the product of 45, the square of 45 rather, is 2025. Okay? But for the two-digit numbers or any numbers that end with 5, so there is a special technique on how to get the square of the numbers that end with 5. So that will be for the next videos. Okay, but for now, we'll just focus on the application of the PST, which is the square of the binomial. Okay, the square of isam. Okay, another example, we have 61 squared. Same process, you're going to separate the digits. The square of A, which is 6, is 36. The square of 1, that is 1. And then don't forget to write the squares as two digit numbers. So 1, that is 0, 1. Then find 2AB, that is 6 times 1 is 6 times 2, that is 12. Now perform the operation, we have 1. And 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down 3. So the square of 61 is 3,721. Okay? So daga na examples to prove that the concept is really applicable to all two-digit numbers. So now this time, I will give you some items to practice. Okay? So we have the square of 54, the square of 73, the square of 98. Okay, so you can write your answers down below. So just comment your answers. You can leave your answers as a comment. Okay, so don't forget to leave your comment, your answers down in the comment section. So if you really like this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, mga ka-insights, kung na ako'y nahatag or nakatabang ni nga video sa inyo ha, namoy nakuha ni nga video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Okay? And again, I would like to remind everybody that I am not an expert and I am not a genius in this field. So I'm just helping. Okay? I'm just here to help spread the information. So spread the knowledge. So if you like this video, so kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, mga ka-insights. So thank you for watching and see you sa sunod na ko nga mga videos. Okay, so to God be the glory and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.